Damn thing. Yeah, I just came out here, just now, and the door, just wanted to be so the door closed all the way, because for some reason it was taking forever to close, so yeah. Whoa! The hell are those birds up there? My god. Hundreds of them. Jesus. Yeah, you know, fuck it, I don't even want to know. Okay then. So it's supposed to give some mainland tonight too, so yeah, whoa. Oh god, what the fuck is it now? So, dog was going crazy as usual. No surprise there whatsoever. None whatsoever. Well, I'm outside here, obviously, so it's not bothering me that much, thank God. I mean, like, I still can hear him perfectly. Now that right there is just absolutely ridiculous. Jesus. Oh. Ugh. And that's one of the reasons why I like cats better. No offense to Jackie. Really? And of course they start barking as well. Funny as hell, man. I think I know what he was barking at now. Oh, and also, as you can see, got some new shoes today, but they're a little bit too big, of course. So, have to go back to the store tomorrow to return them and get new ones. There's just a couple. There's just a little bit too big for me. As you can see, I do have small feet. Oh Jesus. So that's what's happening right now. Getting some heavy winds, and the dog is just sitting down and relaxing. And also, there's currently a wind advisory in effect right now. That's right. So yeah, I started to say that, and I definitely do believe. I mean, like, look at this. Perfect timing too. If we were to get some snow, and I'm 99% sure it would be a fucking blizzard. Seriously, but thank God that's not. Well, you know what I mean. Jesus. Damn door. Close around my fucking shoe on you. Here's my big girl. Anyways. You lock this. do not want to have a repeat of what happened last night, which is just ridiculous. Still don't know how the hell it happened, unfortunately. Probably will never find out. The hell was that all about? Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna ask an end here, and that's gonna be.